Alright, what is going on? It's Liar, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to do BO4 out of the map with bots. I got this question a lot about people asking me how to do BO4 out of the map without a toolbox, because I know a lot of you guys don't have a toolbox. So that's why I wanted to make this video, so you guys can do it yourself on bots. First of all, I'm going to tell you which score streaks you need. You need the Dart, and the Hellstorm, and the third score streak or choice. It can be a care package, an R60, a sentry, anything that will help with like making your shot look nicer. Yeah, for created class, just like use something with that has like extended mags, just like the Outlaw or any other weapon. You just want to make sure you get out with like a lot of ammo, and make sure you use the special issue. That's very important as well, and lightweight as well. Alright, so now we're going to the settings. So you want to make sure it's TDM. You want to put time on unlimited, and the score limit, just put it on 15 and put 5 points per kill. And then turn this off. Let's see. Select spawn needs to be disabled. That's like the most important thing. Minimap constant, score multiplier 5. And then what you then want to do, you want to put everything on 0 except Outrider. There we go. And once you get like all the way to the top, just back out, go back into it, and then just put these two on 0 as well. Because if you would just go up to them, like the one all the way down would just be on 2. You just want to make sure like Outrider is the only one that's activated. Alright, draft time, you can put it on 10, doesn't matter that much. The health, put it on 30. And all the cooldowns, put everything to the right. And create class 17. Alright, then you want to add 6 bots. Get them all in the opposite team. And make sure they're on the recruit. Alright, so I'm going to start with showing you guys how to get out of the map on Contraband in TDM. So yeah, let's just start this off. Alright, as you can see, the only specialist that is available is the Outrider, and the Outrider is the one with the bow and the hawk, the sparrow.
Good choice.
Okay, so when you spawn in, the first thing you want to do is get 2 kills. But after every kill you need to like wait 20 seconds or else it will be the best play. So the best way to get kills is like pulling out your bow and just killing them by the explosion. Just like that. Not a direct impact. And then now you just want to wait a few seconds, like 20 or something like that. And then just get another kill to get your Hellstorm. Alright, there we go. So what you now want to do, you want to make sure all the bots go to the right of the map. Alright? Because you want to spawn over here at the side. You want to fly your drone into that direction to get out of the map. So what you want to do, you want to stand on the edge of the warning zone, you want to pull out your dart. And then after you pull out your dart, go up to your Hellstorm. And then what you want to do is you want to hold in your dart, walk forward in the warning zone, fly down, and right after it explodes, hold in triangle to pull out your Hellstorm. And then if you did the method correctly, you will spawn in quickly while your Hellstorm is in there. And then all you want to do is pull out your drone and just fly it out of the map. You can open up your scoreboard and press R1 to go to the minimap, and then you control your drone like that. And as you can see, I made it out of the map on Contraband. So like all the bots will be walking in packs, so as you can see they are now at the like spot you want to hit them to. So sometimes you just have to wait, but if you get one more kill it would be 50 points, and then the game would end with kill cam. So you just have to wait till they come back and then go for a few attempts. Like imagine that would be sick, right? Something like that would be sick. Alright, and as you can see now, when I kill, I will get kill cam. Alright, for my next map, I'm going to show you guys how to get out of the map on Hacienda. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do the same as I did last game, but I want to make sure I spawn at the other side of where I spawn right now. But I'm not going to explain how to do the method again. I'm gonna have a video linked in the description with a better explanation of how to do it. Alright, that's one.
Sparrow available.
Fuck, it was a direct impact.
Care package on standby.
I mean, hopefully that's not a problem. Alright, so as you can see, all the bots are like at the where I want to spawn, because there's the out of the map at that side. So I'm just gonna wait till they all like run to the other side of the map, and then I'm gonna try to do the out of the map method. Alright, they're all slowly getting to the other side. So let's show you guys.
Dart out.
Dart failed.
Launching hawk.
Okay, when you're spamming in here, you just wanna fly your drone like towards that white statue in the distance. I believe it's like somewhere over here with the drone. You just want to make sure you like lower it all the way down. And you just want to hold in square or whatever button it is for you. And then as you can see, I'm out of the map on Hacienda. It's like a small out of the map, but you can like climb these bushes over here. As you can see, here are the bots walking around. The best spot that you can get to on this out of the map is over here, and as you can see, the bots are like walking over there, so you can shoot them to there, or you could even shoot them like in the distance over there. Holy shit! You need to like look out for the arrows though. So you just want to make sure you're not that like that long on the spot.